Question number 31 is a rod of 20 centimeter length is moving perpendicular to uniform magnetic field of intensity 6 into 10 to the power minus 4 Weber per meter square. If the position of the center of the mass of the rod varies with time, is given by relation x is equal to 2t square plus 3t in meter. The rate of increase of induced EMF of the rod is, these are four options given, and consider the velocity of the center of the mass of the rod is perpendicular to length. See, this is the rod moving with velocity v, it has the length L, and there is uniform magnetic field B. Then you know that EMF, motional EMF, is equal to VLV. Now what is required? The rate of increase of induced EMF. This is required. Let's calculate first. Now it's given that x is equal to 2t square plus 3t. So if you take the derivative, v is equal to dx by dt. So dx by dt will be equal to how much? That is equal to 4t plus 3. Fill in this one. So E is equal to B, which is equal to 6 into 10 to the power minus 4 into the length, which is 0.2, and 4t plus 3. Now to find the rate, so dE by dt, so to differentiate it, this is 1.2 10 to the power minus 4 into dt of 4t plus 3. So 4 comes from here, and therefore dE by dt will be equal to 1.2 into 4 into 10 to the power minus 4, which is equal to 4.8 into 10 to the power minus 4 volt per second is the required answer. Look, the first option is 4.8 into 10 to the power minus volt per second. So answer is 1 to this question. Question number 32 is a capacitor of capacitance 5 upon pi microfarad and resistance of resistor 2000 ohm are joined in series to an AC source of EMF 200 volt and frequency of 50 Hz. The power factor of the circuit and the power dissipated in it will be. And dear student, what is the formula for power factor? Power factor is cos phi, and cos phi is equal to R by Z. Now to calculate Z, Z was equal to R square plus XC square root. Now where XC is equal to 1 upon omega C. I will fill up the value of omega. 1 upon omega is 2 pi into n. N is how much? 50, and C is given how much? 5 upon pi into 10 to the power minus 6, that goes up. Then xt become 2000 ohm. Now therefore Z is equal to 2000 square plus 2000 square root. So Z is equal to 2000 root 2 ohm. Therefore the power factor become equal to R is 2000 divided by 2000 root 2, and which is 1 by root 2. To find the power consumption, the average power is equal to ERMS square divided by Z into cos of phi, that you can use directly. And ERMS is given how much? That's given 200. So 200 square divided by Z, which is equal to 2000 into root 2, and cos phi is equal to 1 by root 2. And that comes to be 200 into 200 divided by 2000 into 2, and is 10 watt. So the correct option is 1 by root 2 and 10 watt, which is the second option. Answer is 2. The question 33 is the wave number of a photon in Passion series of hydrogen atom is 16 R by 225. The electron is transferred from the orbit having quantum number. So n you have to determine. Now you know that 1 by lambda is equal to R, 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. Now R, and what is n1? It's a Paschen series, so I take 1 by 3 square minus 1 by n2 square, and this is given wave number, which is equal to 16 R by 225 is equal to R 1 by 9 minus 1 by n2 square. Now 16 by 225 would be equal to 1 by 9 minus 1 by n2 square. Therefore, 1 by n2 square become 1 by 9 minus 16 by 225, and you can multiply by divide by 25. So this become 25 divided by 225 minus 16 by 225. So therefore, n2 square is equal to 225 divided by 9, and n2 is equal to 15 by 3, and that is equal to 5. So n is equal to 5, and the option is the first answer. The question number 34 is, if the radius of a nucleus of mass number 2 is r, then the radius of nucleus of mass number 16. You know, the size is proportional to mass number, or radius is proportional to mass number power 1 by 3. And so in this case, r1 becomes proportional to 2 power 1 by 3. And in the second case, r prime will be proportional to 16 power 1 by 3. So if I divide, so r prime by r would be equal to 16 divided by 2 power 1 by 3. And that is equal to 8 power 1 by 3. And that is equal to 2. So r prime is equal to 2r. And so therefore, the correct option is the second option. The question number 35 is, the boron rods in nuclear reactors are used as a moderator, the control rod, coolant, or protective shield. So boron is absorber, so these are used as control rods. So answer to this question is the second option.